Good morning. This is Justin Amato with NakedTrader.com. I wanted to cover a gold chart here this morning, Wednesday, March 10th, 2010. It's currently a little after 9 a.m. Central Time. We're going to look back a couple hours here to the 7:30, kind of like the open of the gold contract. It'll trade electronically all hours pretty much of the night, but we see some substantial volume come into the market, at 7:30 when New York starts to come in and trade this stuff. So what we see here is a decline in prices into the 7:30 open. Just about 7:44 a.m. here on this bar, we have a buy signal that generates. The price is 11.23. The market did sit sideways for a couple of minutes. Not much heat taken. The price only dropped about 50 to 70 cents against you, and then it started to go bid. The price here is 11.24. Price up here is about 11.25 to 11.25.30. So we saw the trade go to the bid side here, or the signal did come correct. By no means did it drop $2 first and stop you out. Now yesterday was a different story. There are some losing signals throughout the day. You can't just trade one contract, one signal, or a couple signals, and if they're losers, just call it a day. You have to stick with things. You have to stick with this product. This is something that works over a course of time, over the course of many contracts. So you have to give these power signals, these NakedTrader PowerSignals, time to show you that they are worth using. Again, from day to day, there can be slight occurrences in the marketplace where several of them are not going to be winners. You're going to be stopped out. But you come back on a day like today, and we've got the winner right off the bat here. As you move further along the morning here, the market does oscillate back and forth inside of about a $5 range. And as we came up here to the 8:52 a.m. bar, gold did fire off another sell signal. As you can see, we're in live trade, and it's currently 9:08 a.m. Central Time, and the trade is trading here at 11.20.5. Getting back to the sell signal here, it is an 8:52 a.m. timestamp. The close of that bar was 11.23.10. It immediately became a winner here. It never traveled sideways for any length of time, and dropped south, continued sideways, and then had another nice little plummet there. For these short micro scalp 1 minute signals, you're only looking to be in these trades for anywhere between a minute, depending on how fast it drops. If you had this or this within a minute, you might take a few contracts off the table. But a minute to about 30 minutes is the greatest length that you should stay in these trades. It's based on your market feel and what you're seeing in the marketplace that would allow you or let you stay in the market longer than that. So the market did drop here to a low of 11.1880. So you got about a $4.50, $5 break here in price. You're obviously not going to grab all of that for a profit, but hopefully you trade a 5 lot, you take 1 off here, you take 2 off here, and then you move your stop and see where it goes from there. Once you think you're bottoming out, maybe you liquidate the balance and you move on to the next signal that this particular contract's going to give you, or the next particular market that you have loaded in your signal box. That's what you're going to do. So I urge you to read through the intricacies of NakedTrader's Power Signals. Watch these tutorials. Look at the PowerPoint presentations we put together. And if you have any questions, you can always feel free to email us at tech@nakedtrader.com or admin@nakedtrader.com, and we'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have regarding these signals and the use of these signals. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you have a profitable trading day. Thank you.